Are you ready for a delicious and easy miso soup recipe? Well, get ready, y'all, because I've got just the thing for you. This recipe is gonna knock your socks off and leave you craving for more. So let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, white or red depending on your preference, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 cup of firm tofu, cubed, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, shiitake, cremini, or any type you like, 2 green onions, thinly sliced, 1 sheet of nori, seaweed, cut into thin strips, optional, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, optional, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, optional. Now that we have everything ready, let's start cooking. In a medium-sized pot, bring the 4 cups of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the cubed tofu and sliced mushrooms. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for about 5-7 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender. While the tofu and mushrooms are simmering, let's dissolve the miso paste. In a small bowl, whisk the miso paste with a few tablespoons of hot water until it's smooth and well dissolved. After the mushrooms are tender, reduce the heat to low. Gently stir in the dissolved miso paste and soy sauce. Be careful not to boil the miso, as high heat can destroy its flavor. Let it simmer for an additional 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Just before serving, add the sliced green onions and nori, if using, to the soup. Let it simmer for another minute. If you want to add some extra flavor, you can also drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil and sprinkle some grated fresh ginger. Now it's time to serve. Ladle the miso soup into bowls and serve it hot. Get ready to enjoy your homemade miso soup, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this delicious and easy miso soup recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. And remember, keep cooking and keep enjoying. Y'all have a fabulous day.